My name is Dr. Mack Harrell, and I am the co-founder of the Memorial Center for Integrative Endocrine Surgery in Hollywood, Florida. I am very much looking forward to joining my colleagues with an interest in thyroid, parathyroid disease, and thyroid cancer at the First Emirates Thyroid Congress on March the 15th of 2019 in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. This groundbreaking conference is capably organized by Dr. Eiman Alseddeeqi and will take place at the Hotel Sofitel Abu Dhabi Corniche in the Capitol Plaza complex. The meeting will convene on Friday the 15th of March and features many luminaries in thyroid cancer and thyroid and parathyroid disease from across the globe. I will be speaking on molecular markers in thyroid cancer, genetic profiling for medullary thyroid cancer, and gray zones in thyroid neoplasm pathology on the 15th. And I hope to see you there.